Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's an inflatable pillow that you guys can use for traveling or just at home or in office, whatever the case may be, you guys can use this product. So first thing first, let me actually open it up and show you guys what it looks like and set everything up, and then we're gonna test it out. So they provide you this little pump to pump up the product, which is really nice. So you guys can see it's packaged really nice, brand new, has not been opened, so we're gonna open it up together right now. Alright, so here is the pouch, very nice little pouch. So you guys can see how small and compact this is when you guys bring this on the go, but let's open it up and see what happens. Alright, so when you open up, this is where you get inside. So it looks like you have a cover for the actual product itself to cover it up, but here is the actual pillow itself. So if you open it up, you guys can see there's two different compartments to pump up the pillow itself. So let's start pumping up and see what happens. This is what the pump looks like. So the way how you use the pump is going like this, and it'll pump it up. So let's do that first. So put in the pump into the hole like this. Make sure it's all the way in, I guess, and just start pumping. So you guys can hear it's starting to pump and get bigger. So this might take a while, so I'm gonna finish this first and then show you guys the finished results. So one thing I noticed right here is that when you guys open this compartment, there's two different closures. So there's one where you guys can pump it up to like get a little bit bigger first, and then the second layer is where you guys can use your mouth to blow it up so you guys can do the finishing touch. So far it's been almost 4 minutes to fully set this up. Alright, so here we have the final product of how it looks like. So when you guys are finishing up, then I believe you guys can put the cover on it. Alright, so here we have the cover on. So I believe what the cover is for is that you guys can put it on the ground so it won't get the actual pillow dirty. So you guys can put it down like this and then just put your feet on top and rest. So let me show you guys what I mean real quick when I put this on the floor and everything. So literally all you do is you guys can put your pillow like that and then just put your feet like that to relax. So the pillow actually feels really comfortable. It's really nice and really portable. You guys know how small it can get. So really nice pillow overall. And then what's cool about this pillow is the fact that since it has 3 different layers, so 1, 2, and 3, you guys can just use 2 layers or just use 1 layer. Depending on what you guys prefer, you guys can just set it to based off what you guys want to. So if you guys want to use it as leg rest, then you guys can put it on high, all 3 filled up. If you guys just want to use it like a stepping stool or something, then you guys can just use the 1 instead of all 3, just use 1 of them. And then just use this layer to kind of protect it from getting dirty on the ground and whatnot. And if you guys want to just use 1 of them, you guys can actually don't use these 2 and just use the bottom one just for the 1 part or 1 level, and then you can use that as a pillow as well. So that's really cool. So really small, compact, and portable, and multi-use depending on what you guys want to use it for. So when you guys are done using it, all you have to do is just remove the bottom layer and then take these parts out and expose it so that way all the air can come out. So you guys can see, all you have to do is squeeze this part out. And then you guys can use it as 2 layers or just close the whole thing entirely and just put it back in the small little bag. So really nice product overall. But now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around like $18, and they have multiple colors. They have these in blue and gray, and then if you guys want to buy 1 pack or 2 pack, it depends on you. I believe the 2 packs are cheaper, so if you guys want to buy one for you and your boyfriend or girlfriend or your kids or something, or a friend as a gift, then you guys can buy the 2 pack possibly, depending on what you guys prefer. But for me, honestly, I have to say that if you guys are planning to use this a lot, or you guys just want like a really nice pillow to put your feet on, to lay, to rest, and or just use it as like a pillow to sleep as well, you guys can use that here as well. So really nice product if you guys need it. But if you guys don't need it, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Day, we have